Morning everyone, and welcome to another chapter of the Crumbs in the Philippines. Today we're going to head out to Tagaytay with some friends. My friend Yuka from Finland and Jen's cousin Jung. I guess those guys are a couple now, which is really cool. I'm happy to report. But anyway, we're going to have a great day and share it with you. I'll take some video and some drone footage, and we'll see you on the other side. Take care. It's a beautiful day for a day trip, and couldn't ask for better company. We had a really great day, and for a change, I got us to see the perspective of the drive up to Tagaytay in an automobile as a passenger, which was quite a bit different for me. That's Jen's cousin Young. We stopped along the way at one of our favorite coffee spots, Scenic. They have really good cappuccinos and a nice view off of the back of the place there. It was just a really relaxing day. Yuka, he's a good driver, and we had some good conversation, and the girls seemed to be having a good time in the back, although it looked to me like they were a little bit hot. It was a hot day. We decided that we were going to go and revisit the Sky Ranch, which is a really, really nice place, very inexpensive day trip. Even for 4 people, it's very inexpensive. We had lunch there at the Sky Ranch at the Kenny Rogers Roaster. There's an SM Mall over on the left over there. Just enjoying the scenery, watching the pace of life there in the Philippines, which is really slow. Very enjoyable. It's always a nice drive up to Tagaytay. Traffic was very thin today for some reason, but we really enjoyed it. Yep, just watching the motor scooters whiz past us, and we actually had a police officer from Cavite up alongside of us. And Cavite is the province where Tagaytay is located. Beautiful blue sky today with white puffy clouds, made for some really good video shots. Now we're here in the parking lot at the Sky Ranch. It costs 50 pesos to park an automobile and 30 pesos for a motorbike. And that's the Kenny Rogers Roasters just right up the way there where we're going to have our lunch. Really nice, clean place. I wish they would have turned up their air conditioning a little bit. It was kind of hot inside, but the food was great. It's very reasonably priced. All in all, we had a nice day. We made a full day of it. We got to see some views of the Taal Lake and the Taal Volcano from several different angles on the lake itself. We drove all the way around the lake on our trip today and stopped at several places and got some different perspectives there on the lake. It was just a nice day in general. This place is like spotlessly clean. The service was impeccable. Really nice view out the back of the restaurant there. You can see it. The cliff down to the lake is about 60 meters out that door out there. You can see the atmosphere in this place, really relaxed, and people standing around just waiting to help. This is a little bit of drone footage at one of the places that we stopped. Now I have to apologize just a little bit because of the my inexperience with the drone. I actually took a lot more footage than I included in the video, but me being the novice and the newbie that I am, I forgot to push the record button on a lot of the video. So I was flying around and watching the video on my phone, and without realizing that I wasn't actually recording it. And at the end of the day, we decided to take the scenic route on the way back to Lipa. We went down some 1-lane roads where there was only enough room for one vehicle to pass by. So it was really interesting. You'll see that near the end, and it kind of sprinkled on us a little bit rain wise. And we saw this one really neat housing subdivision that had a castle out front. I tried to catch that as well. There was a really cool guy that looked like one of the trees from the Lord of the Rings trilogy. But of course, I'm still learning, guys. So I really hosed up the lighting on that shot, and but I learn each time we do this. Next time I know that I need to stand on the opposite side of the subjects that I'm trying to video, because I did it with the sun behind the subjects, which is a no-no when you're making videos. But I promise I'm going to take this stuff and learn from it. And before it's all said and done, I really hope to be able to make some professional quality videos. I've been doing a lot of studying and just a lot of experimenting with lighting, camera settings, editing software. But this Sky Ranch place is really neat. Those are virtual reality chairs there. You put the headset on and kind of lose yourself in there. A lot of food booths over on the right, and just some really cool views out here from the Sky Ranch. They have some gorgeous views of the lake. But you can see I hosed up the lighting on these shots, but live and learn, and next time I'll get it right. But anyway, guys, just enjoy the rest of the day with us. I'm going to play some music because there was actually music playing the whole time we were in here. That's the reason I couldn't have natural sound, which is the case on most of these videos where we're out and about. And I caught some guys doing zip line and tried to get footage of that as well, and some of the rides. But anyway, guys, thanks for joining us. We really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like the video. It really helps us out on YouTube. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. I think we're three subscribers away from 3,000 now, which is a big milestone for us. But as always, guys, we appreciate you. Stay happy, stay healthy, and just enjoy life, because we all have such a short time on the planet here, and just try to make the most out of each and every moment, and savor it, and enjoy your friends and family. And I guess that about does it for this time. We'll see you at the next video, guys. Thank you so very much.